So Wendy, what are you doing here?
I'm going to be making a coil pot with a difference. So just making the coils and then twisting them round.
Cool, that looks good.
And then attaching them so that...
Okay, have you seen these? Is it okay?
And because you're doing this at Pam's Pottery workshops,
Yeah.
which is on Tuesdays and Thursdays, see the description below, which tells you more of the detail. And I'm just going to go around and show you, lovely viewers, what is being made here. So there's a little teddy bear there, which looks really cute. Wendy's bowl. Not that lovely bowl being painted there.
You want to go that it's very fine. Pushes out little thin coils. Oh, right, yes, thank you.
That looks really impressive. What are you making there?
Very much.
Whether it needs more than sort of, you know, whether it
We're
needs
just
more
starting off on a new project there. Pam,
Yep,
they do great jobs, don't they?
we've got some very, very nice work.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And they can make pretty much anything in this workshop.
yeah, and it's a nice group of people. We have a bit of a laugh.